Hello everyone. In this video, we will be just cleaning up my table. As you can see, I have not used my table for a long period of time. So you can see dust over all of the places. Even there is dust in my laptop. You can see that is my main laptop, and this is my second laptop. This monitor is connected to the laptop. So I'll be just cleaning all of my table and rearranging them. And from tomorrow on, I'll just make videos. And thanks for supporting me till now. Uh, then let's move on to our intro, and then let's move on to our filling process. Okay, I have removed every other parts from my table, and I will be just reassembling everything after I have done cleaning of every parts. So I will just reassemble with one hand, and I am actually using camera from my phone. So there may be a lack of quality. So I hope you don't mind. Only is just picking up items after I had done clean. After I have cleaned them and put them in the table. So I'll just play music here, and after putting everything in the table, I'll just resume my video again. I'll just stop again. So please watch the video and enjoy it. It is taking more time than I have expected, so I think I'll just stop recording here, and I think I'll just again recording after putting everything in my table, and then I'll just run without wiring, and after wiring all of them, I mean after powering them all. So first of all, let me power my multiple, and then I'll just stop the video, and after putting everything, I'll just resume it on. Having my laptop and monitor in my table. You can see that I have not wired anything till now, so let me wire all of them. So you can see that this is my setup after wiring all of them. I think the camera quality is not good. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. After today, I will just try to upload as many as video I can. Don't forget to hit that like button also.